Everything looks normal enough. The road, the driveway. But the horror is just to come.
Bill and Kim Pictures present to you A Cold Day in Hell.
Oh, I can't see it.
You can't see what?
I can only see the stuff that's in the, oh, perfect, beautiful. In the headlights.
Nope, wired up.
There's a few trees that have broken, fallen onto the road, destroyed people's houses, made them look horrible.
Destroyed their gaming time.
And they destroyed the internet! They didn't make that house look horrible. That house always looked like that.
The tree fell on the Johnson's house. Well, thank God that color was awful.
Well.
Alright, who's... Continuing down the 5th Massburg Turnpike.
Ooh. There's a tree overhanging the road there. I don't know if you can see it.
I can see this one.
This one's pretty good. Wow! It's like water splashing all over the place. This place reminds me of like Savannah, Georgia in a horror movie. Savannah, Georgia's got all this lovely foliage by the side of the road, and then this is what happens when foliage goes bad.
Foliage gone bad.
Foliage gone bad, exactly. There you go.
Girls gone wild, but not quite so sexy.
All right, there you go. I'm going for a different market, okay? Woohoo! You know, it's almost like a little obstacle course, dodging all the trees.
My driving skills are up to the challenge.
Very good. And then here is a news van, because prior to being destroyed, Fitchburg was not newsworthy, but now, after being destroyed, Fitchburg is newsworthy. And then this is our Close Encounters of the Third Kind lighting. Okay, that's gonna wash out the picture. Give me a second. Okay, we've returned.
Nope, here's the telephone pole.
Look at this stuff. Like totally wrecked by the side of the road. In fact, this whole road is wrecked by the side of the road. This one's pretty good.
The road is beside itself.
Mm-hmm.
Still don't like driving over that.
No, we can't really see it. There's like some precarious trees over the thing here. But this morning, actually, things were quite beautiful. Everything was iced over. It had like a winter wonderland feel.
Cable down.
You see the cable across the road there? It's actually, it's a full moon out tonight too.
Sure, now you tell me you're a werewolf.
Look at this. And we're actually seeing all of this after the road has been cleared so that people can try and pass through.
Country club. This road has a surprise ending.
Don't ruin it!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, man.
Turn back while you still can.
Should drive up right up to it so we can see it.
This is not the way. Take
Game over, man! What are we supposed to use? Harsh language? There's a big tree right across the road there. We can't even go any further. Woohoo!
Well, since this is the end of the line, I would actually like to turn off the video and like snap some pics.
Sure. Okay. We hope you enjoyed this Bill and Kim Productions. That's the other guy's headlights as he's turning around, going through all the foliage.
This is the 800-point turn.
So the person driving this car was actually the inventor of the original spirograph.
Afterward, his tire tracks will be geometric and pleasing.
Exactly, yes. Woohoo!
Alright, we should go back up Franklin maybe, or...
Sure. Yeah, I'm down.
And then just go past our development and see what's down that way.
Okay, first me. We'll return after these messages. Okay, that's the one lone red blinky. Help! Heading back towards Bill's place now. Going to see what's on the other side of the devastation.
My God, it's full of stuff.
A bear drove over the mountain. A bear drove over the mountain to see what he could see.
We're gonna lose it.
Oh,
Headlights coming.
oh.
And we're back.
Bill is a premature headlightinator.
It's genetics, man. My fun.
Woohoo! There you go. And that's the happy branch. That's waving its way along the road.
It's happy to be here. Alright, Great Oak Road, that's where we live. Let's keep going.
Excellent. So we haven't been down here yet. You have no idea what to expect. I'm expecting a big tree draped over the road. Ooh, there's the line. I don't know if you saw that big power line. And I just want to say to everybody, I'm sorry. The Blair Witch. Okay, we're good.
Freak.
Woohoo! Oh, what was the one that was recently? about the guy with the going away party in New York. Cloverfield. That was a pretty decent one too.
I didn't see that. I've seen most of it on YouTube. I haven't actually seen it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, that telephone pole's not happy.
That's called the Leaning Tower of Telephone Pole.
I feel so safe driving underneath.
I'm gonna tilt the camera so that it actually looks like it's straight up and down. Okay. So through all this devastation, one wonders, like, what are the things that are really important to people? Is it the possible loss of life, the destruction to the environment, the property damage to people's homes? For us, it's the loss of internet.
Yeah.
We don't really care about any of this stuff, but it's like, where's our cable?
It's times like these where you just really come to appreciate how sorely lacking my social skills are. I have to talk to other people? Wow. Why?
Woohoo! Yo.
Go.
We were all standing around the fire earlier. We were sitting around the fire earlier, and we were saying, hey, we should tell each other stories. And we're like, we don't know any stories. I don't know any stories. Okay, well, fine.
Let's go down Rollstone, and we'll check out on the way to Mikey's place.
Okay, sure.
And then we'll hit Route 2 and go back.
Okay, we'll be back. We're back, bringing you more goodness. Oh, there's a man walking by the side of the road. He'll be frozen by nightfall. Oh, there's a tree leaning over the road there.
Held up by wires.
There you go. The tree.
Holy! We're not getting through here either.
Another wonderful deadfall across the road. You want to take a picture of this one? Okay. Or do we have enough pictures of deadfalls over it? Wow, and there's a wire just hanging. Oh, there's that same guy. It's the same one. I feel like we're in the movie The Hitchhiker. Did you see that?
No.
It was another Rutger Hauer movie. It's this guy driving along and he sees Rutger Hauer by the side of the road, and he keeps driving, and he sees Rutger Hauer by the side of the road, and he keeps driving, and he sees Rutger Hauer by the side of the road. And he gets freaked out by it eventually.
Eventually. Was that the Hitchhiker or the Hitcher?
Oh, it could have been the Hitcher. I'm sorry.
I didn't see that one either, but
I think it might have been the Hitcher. Yeah.
Overs and down wire.
Yeah. This is getting to be pretty standard now.
Yeah.
Trees, down wires. It's, in fact, yawn, ho-hum, whatever. Devastation on a mass scale. So for those of you just tuning in, what happened was they had like a badass ice storm here, and ice covered everything, and it like got all the trees and the foliage and all this other junk, and it just fell on everything. Oh, there's some stuff leaning over there, a tree leaning over. Oh, gotta be washed out. Okay, Bill is going to try his daredevil driving skills to see if we can actually make it underneath this tree.
Well, it's being held up by wires, we're safe.
Sure. Drum roll, please. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay.
I think we're on the other end of the do not pass through area.
So we cunningly circumvented all of those things that were put on the road for our safety and protection. Wait, now are we heading towards the...
Yeah, we're heading toward Electric End.
No, I meant are we heading towards the part that was closed off?
No, we're heading away from it.
Oh, rats. See, I was hoping that we would cunningly circumvent it and then come up from behind. Because I know that's, you know, Bill's favorite tactic.
Hit him when they hit, okay.
Okay, we'll be back. Voila! Swerve because of wire! That was actually really dangerous. So I just want everybody to know that we've only got 5 minutes of footage left, and the blinky low battery warning, and no power, so we can't recharge this damn thing. So this is it. Whatever we give you is it. Okay, we're gonna show you some more stuff on the street, but on the whole, this is actually pretty tame compared to other stuff. Yeah, trees broken. Yeah, houses messed up. Yeah, junk king over the side of the road. Whatever. Been there, done that. Okay, here's something potentially new.
Ooh, tight squeeze.
There you go. Trees to the left of us. Trees to the right of us. Down the street. Oh, what?
This one's like the sort of damn.
Oh, look at that.
All right, yeah, I'll
Dangling.
All right, now we're good. When in
Okay, there's a wire down right here. Yeah, we can sort of see the glare off of it.
okay. Tree in distress.
Brought to you in Swerve-O-Vision. We're making some real swerve in here.
This is a mess.
Yeah, it is.
This is tree-laden, debris-strewn, icy, slushy, wet,
Yeah.
precipitous drop to our left. All of about 6 feet.
Well, you only need 6 feet to be 6 feet under.
Men with
Oh, yeah.
chainsaws have been through this area.
Yeah.
Wow.
See lots of clean cuts. And not so clean cuts. Oh. The little splashy puddles are my favorite part.
You like it wet?
I like it wet and slippery, Bill. That's the reason why one of my favorite albums is Slippery When Wet.
I think we're good.
He says right as we go careening over the cliff!